Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher, I would like to welcome you in today's class. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to start a new lesson, that is the lesson number 3, dinner. So, let's begin the class. So, here lesson number 3 it is given. In lesson number 2 we have studied that the Rose she arrives at the Mulenga's house, and there everyone is talking. Okay, everyone is enjoying there. Mrs. Mulenga, she has cooked a special things like chicken for Rose. So this all the things we have studied in lesson number 2. So after that we are going to start in lesson number 3. So here it is given, Musonda brings out the plates and cups and Mrs. Mulenga serves the chicken. As they eat, they talk about Rose's family and how everyone is doing. After dinner, the younger children clear the table while the others wash the dishes together. Musonda and Rose offer to finish up. Alone with Rose, Musonda asks, "What do you think? What do you think I should become when I grow up?" "I keep asking myself the same question," says Rose. What it is given here? In this lesson, it is given that Musonda brings out the plates and cups and Mrs. Mulenga serves the chicken. Musonda, she is bringing the plates and cups and all the dishes, and Mrs. Mulenga, she is serving the chicken. As whole family they eat, they talk about Rose's family and how everyone is doing. See, if what is happening, if anyone comes to your house, then what we are doing when we are sitting together, we are talking about that person, that how is everyone in that house and how everyone is doing, everyone is fine or not. So just this thing is going on as whole family they are eating, and they are talking also about the Rose family and how everyone is doing in the family. As soon as when the dinner, after the dinner, what happens? The younger children clear the table. The younger children, they clear the table, means they think keep the things at a proper place, and while the others means what? Elder children. While the others wash the dishes together. Musonda and Rose offer to finish up. Musonda and Rose both are offering their help to finish up all the works very quickly. Alone with Rose, when Rose and Musonda becomes alone, so that time Musonda, she asks, "What do you think I should become when I grow up?" She is asking to Rose that, "Rose, what do you think, according to your understanding, what I should become when I grow up?" Then Rose, she is replying that, "I keep asking myself the same question." Rose is replying that, "I also ask the same question from myself. I keep asking, I also think about the same kind of question, that what I should become when I grow up, in my future, what I should become." So this is this here. Now the next paragraph it is explained. "I think about service. I want to do something that can help other people. I would like to become a nurse, but you have to study hard. It also costs, and I don't think my parents have enough money," Musonda explains. In this paragraph it is explained, see, Musonda is saying that I think about service. Means I always think about service, how I can serve other people. I want to do something that can help other people. I'm thinking that I should do some kind of work, that kind of work which can help other people. I would like to become a nurse. She is saying, Musonda, that I would like to become a nurse, but but you have to study hard. Means, but Musonda is saying that I have to study hard, and it also cost, and I don't think that my parents have enough money, Musonda explains. Musonda is explaining that cost of nursing means study of nursing, it cost a lot, and I don't think that my parent is having that much sufficient money, so they can pay there. Okay, my parents have enough money, Musonda explains. Then Rose is explaining, yes, but you can try, Musonda, says Rose. And Rose is saying that yes, I know, but you can try, Musonda, says Rose. Rose is saying that there is a word confirmation that I learned a few weeks ago in one of my classes. Rose is replying that there is a word confirmation that I have learned in one of my classes. She is explaining that in one of my classes I have learned a word confirmation. My teacher says that God confirms us and helps us in what we do. My teacher my teacher explains that God confirms us, means whatever things we are doing in our work, God confirms us what we do. If we try, if you do something, so God helps us in our deed, and he confirms us that whether we are doing the right thing or not. I like this word very much now. Rose is saying that I like this word, confirmation word, very much nowadays. I am sure you will receive God's confirmation if you set your heart on becoming a nurse. She is saying, Rose is saying that if you set your heart that yeah, really you have to become a nurse, if you try there, so I am sure that you will receive the God's confirmation. You will receive the God's help when you set your heart that I have to become a nurse only. Then, okay, so in this manner, this part of the story it gets over. Now the question answer we are going to do. Question number 1, it is given, what does the family do as they eat together? The answer is, as the family eat together, they talk about Rose's family and how everyone is doing. Okay, what they do, they talk about Rose's family. As the family eat together, they talk about Rose's family and how everyone is doing in the family. Now the next question is given here, that question number 2, what do the children do after dinner? The answer is, after dinner the younger children clear the table while the others wash the dishes. Question number 3, it is given that what important question does Musonda ask Rose? The answer is, Musonda asks that what she should become in her life when she grows up. Question number 4, it is given, what would Musonda like to become when she grows up? Musonda would like to become a nurse when she grows up. Question number 5, why does she want to become a nurse? Answer is that she wants to become a nurse because she wants to do something that can help other people. She wants to serve people. Okay. Question number 6, why does Musonda think she might not be able to study nursing? The answer is, Musonda thinks she might not be able to study nursing because her parents do not have sufficient or enough money. Question number 7, it is given, what new word has Rose learned in one of her classes? The answer is, Rose has learnt a new word in one of her classes, that is confirmation. Okay. So like that we have completed activity number 2, the question answer. Now here the activity number 3 it is given. What is the activity number 3? Now your tutor will read the exercises below and ask you to circle the answer. So first one, it is given, the word confirmation means something that stops us from doing things, something that helps us to know what we are doing the right thing, something that helps us to do things faster. So the correct answer will be B. So we are going to circle the answer B. Okay, circle the answer B. So B will be the right answer. That's something that help us to know what we are doing is right thing. Now the next second number question, it is given that Musonda sets her heart on becoming nurse. This means that she forgets about the idea of becoming a nurse. She is afraid of nurses. She wants very much to be a nurse. So C will be the answer, that she wants very much to be a nurse. So that you will circle. Okay. Now the next page. In next page, what is given? Activity number 4 it is given. Activity number 4 it is given that your tutor will ask the class to make sentences with each of the words below. Here some words are given like explain, served, together, became, week, studies, nurse, learn, teacher and received. So from these all 10 words, what you have to do, you have to make one sentence from each word. Okay, so first word is explain, so you will make one sentence from explain. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, my teacher explained that a cow is a herbivorous animal. Okay, served, so here served, it is the past form of serve, so you have to make one sentence from served, that my mother served the dinner for us. Next one is the together. Together means when everyone is working in unity or doing the things in unity, that is called together. Okay, so you can write that my family together or my whole family together we will go for a picnic. So together word you can use in a sentence. Then next one is that became. This is the become, past form of become, became. Okay, what would you like to become? Also became is there, that you may write that I want to become, became, it is there, that Ram became a doctor, like that you can write. Week, you don't have to change any word, in the same manner you have to make sentence. Week. Okay, week means that for a week, we are saying no, that for a week, WEAK, week means that having less strength, and it is the week. Okay, in a week 7 days are there, so you may write like that, in a week there are 7 days. Studies, my mother studies the holy book, a holy book you can write, or that my brother studies the story book, a story book you can write. Nurse, my auntie is a nurse. Learn, you can make sentence from learn, that children learn while playing. Teacher, you can write a make sentence with a teacher. Okay, it is very simple. Received, you can make one sentence from received. Okay, so this all words you have to make one sentence from each. This work you have to complete in your copy. Now the next activity number 6 it is given. So 5 activity you have to complete yourself. In activity number 5, what will you do? Activity number 5, that fill in the blanks are there. Whatever words we have used for making sentence, those words only you are going to use and make fill in the blanks. So that you will complete in your book only. Activity number 6 it is given. In the story we read that Musonda would like to become a nurse. Write a paragraph explaining what you would like to become and why. Because already Musonda, you have read in this chapter that Musonda likes to become a nurse. Why she wants to become a nurse? Because she thinks about the service and she wants to do such kind of work which can help other people. So because of that she wants to become a nurse. So in the same manner you have to also write a paragraph here, okay, that what you would like to become in your life and why you want to become that. Okay, so you will explain here, we will discuss in the class that what you have written. Now the home assignment lesson is over. Now we are going to understand the home assignment. Complete the question and answer of lesson 3 in your book and learn nicely. Next homework is that complete activity 3, 5 and 6 of lesson 3 in your book only. And next one, complete activity 4 of lesson 3 in your copy. Okay. So this is the homework for today's class. Okay. So this, like that you can complete your work. These are the some homeworks. You must complete this whole homework. So that's all for today's class. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.